Okay, hello. Okay, let's just read. There we go. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is just going to be a very quick video. Today is January 2nd and I kind of wanted to go over my 2019 goals and resolutions. So I do this every year. I make a list of goals I want to accomplish in 2019. I've been doing that for like the last I would say maybe like 4 or 5 years. I can't remember if I showed myself on YouTube last year doing this. Kind of want to go over my 2018 and then tell you guys what I want to do for 2019. And I think sharing this out loud makes you more accountable for yourself instead of just being like, oh, I want to lose weight this year and then not really do anything. But then also I think writing it down is always such a good way to stick to it and put it somewhere you're gonna look at it every single day and make sure you try and accomplish some of your goals. I think I just slurred all my words there. So for 2018, I actually didn't do a very good job on my 2018. My number one was save and buy a vlog camera, which I did. Start vlogging. I started doing that. Reached 3,000 subs on YouTube. I didn't do that. So tail end of 2018 to January, I was hustling pretty hard. I was putting out, I want to say like 3 to 4 videos a month, which is pretty decent, I want to say, for me. And then in 2017, YouTube changed their algorithm. I think it was February or March, YouTube changed their partner program. So I didn't have the requirements to be a partner with YouTube anymore. I wasn't making money from YouTube anymore. So with that being said, that kind of killed my drive. And also they changed the algorithm. So I was losing tons of views and I wasn't growing as fast as I once was. YouTube took a back seat and then I started some other hobbies and I kind of just did it on the side. So I was uploading maybe like once a month, which is no excuse. So I mean, I want to try and stick with YouTube. I didn't hit that goal, but that's okay. Side the house, did that. Donate more clothes and thin out my closets. I did that at the beginning of the year. Do more cardio / yoga. I kind of fell off the bandwagon for working out, so didn't do that. Go on a vacation, I did. My last goal of 2018 was to continue my education and learn more in labor and delivery. And I checked that off because I did accomplish that. I think education is always something you should be continuing and growing within yourself. I mean, there's always so much to learn. So there's that. For 2019, I think this is what I want to do. For the last 2 years, my goals have been very future and like house orientated. But since I have a house now, this is less of that. So for 2019, I want to eat better and snack less. My issue is that I snack a lot and not always the best foods. So I want to try and snack less. Drink more water because, I don't know, I love my Diet Pop. Water is just great for your health and it's great for your skin. I want to go on a vacation that's not in Canada or the US. So every year I probably go somewhere within the States, but I want to go somewhere else. Like, I don't know where, but I want to go somewhere else. I want to treat myself with something designer. So I don't talk about that a lot on my channel. But I love bougie shit. I love it. But I mean, who has money for that, you know? To always be, you know, treating yourself. I always thought I wanted to treat myself with something designer when I got into a permanent position at the hospital, but I am still not in a permanent position. So that I will still be a goal, but I think I want to treat myself with something designer this year. I've always been pretty good at saving my money and I want to splurge on something this year. I don't know what, if that'll be like a purse or a fashion item, like a belt. I'm not too sure, but I do want to treat myself with something. The only house item that I have on my list is to frame, insulate, and drywall the downstairs. So our downstairs of our house is unfinished. So I think I want to maybe consider that. Spend more time with friends. I think it's always good to have that balance between work, family, and friends. I want to snowboard more. And the last I want to say like 4 years, I've only gone maybe like 3-4 times a year, which is not enough. So I want to snowboard more this year. I want to continue to grow my business, so my cmaebeauty, which is my freelance makeup business. Every year I've been growing a bit more. I want to continue to do that and be a businesswoman in all caps. I just love being a little businesswoman, and I think I want to try and do a little bit more within that. It's hard doing that sometimes because you don't know if it'll, you know, succeed or make money from it, but I don't know. You know what, I'm just putting it down on my list, and if I touch it, then good on me. If I don't, whatever. Videos for this year, I still want to do my best of 2018 makeup for drugstore and high-end, so I still want to do those videos. And my beauty room has changed, like this little corner has changed, so I do want to do an updated beauty room, and I think I want to do an updated like makeup collection. So those are some videos you will see in the future, but till then, if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up and comment down below. Comment down below your New Year's resolutions or 2019 goals. If you like what you see and you like some of my videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.